But just about every yoga class I've ever seen, and if you go online and there's people doing yoga, this one pose that I want to show you first is probably the most popular one, the most frequently done, and it's called the sun salute, or the sun salutation, the salute to the sun. It always has the word salute and sun in it. And the way we do this, let me move this forward just a little. Okay, I want you to come. The sun salute is a series of poses, one after another, that kind of goes in one direction and it comes back the way you came. And that doesn't make any sense until you do it. Then you'll go, oh, that does make perfect sense. So what I want you to do is get to the front of your mat, because you're going to travel backwards. Okay? Now, the first pose, the first position, we're going to put ourselves into a bunch of different positions. The first position, you stand, it's called mountain. All of these poses have names. They have Sanskrit names that end in A-N-A, Savasana, whatever. And it doesn't matter to me what they're named. And then they have American names also, English names, that kind of describe what you're doing. So this first one is just standing mountain. And then I want you to bring your hands to right here. So bring your hands together, then push them down. So you're right here, prayer pose. So this is the first position. Now, whenever we breathe in and out only through our nose. Don't breathe out through your mouth. It should always be in and out through your nose, except for sometimes. Now, so that's the first position. The second one, you're going to bring your arms straight up, and then I want you to straighten your arms so your biceps are touching your ears. And then push your arms back. You can have your hands like this, like this, like this, like this. Doesn't matter. As long as your biceps are touching your ears, that's how straight I want your arms. And then arch back. Keep your neck relaxed. Breathe deeply. Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
My chest popped.
Your chest?
I sternum. Okay, that's the second position. So straighten your arms. Get them straight. Okay, the third position is standing forward bend. So you're just going to bend forward and bring your hands towards your knees. Your legs are straight, not bent. Straighten your legs. And just hang your arms down. You may or may not get your hands to the floor or to your feet. Doesn't matter. But you're mainly focusing on getting your legs straight. Just hang. Relax your neck. Really relax your neck. Nod your head yes and nod your head no. That's how loose and relaxed your neck should be. Breathe in and out through your nose. You may feel a gentle pressure on your lower back. So that's the third position. The fourth position, the way we get to it, I want you to bend your knees and then just kind of plant your hands, your fingertips at about 45 degrees from your feet, just for balance. And then you're going to take your right foot straight back and then bring your hands level with your front foot on your fingertips. So you don't have weight on your hands. So you could go like this, right? So your weight's on your front and your back foot. And your right leg is straight. So you're on the ball, your right foot, you're on the ball and toes of your right foot. Your left foot, this front knee right here is a 90-degree angle. So your knee is right over your heel. You see pictures of this, people getting this way wrong. If you have your knee too far forward, that's dangerous for your knees. I mean, just really bad for it, for causing damage. Now, from here, just look up, breathe, but keep your neck relaxed. We'll do a variation of this on Thursday. That's fun. So that's the fourth position. The fifth position is the top of a push-up. So you're going to bring your hands onto the mat, take your front foot back. So now you're just at the top of a push-up. Your fingers are spread out. Your weight is evenly distributed on your feet and hands. Your body's straight. Straight. Some of us have interesting definitions of straight. Now, from here, we're going to come slowly down. Slowly. Try for slow. And before you hit the ground, the ideal thing to do is arch up and then go down on the tops of your feet. Cramp. And then ideally, you'd have your knees off the ground. So your weight is just on your feet and your hands. If you can't do that, then put your knees down. But either way is fine. And then look up. This is upward dog, right? Upward dog. So keep your neck relaxed, but look up. Breathe deeply. Shake a lot. Now, grab the floor with your feet. We're going to go back. So straighten your legs, straighten your arms, and push your head through your shoulders towards your feet. So your arms are straight, your legs are straight. You may get your heels on the floor, but you probably won't. But you're trying to push your heels towards the floor. Downward dog. Keep your neck relaxed. Keep breathing. So that's what, number 6? I lost track. Okay, now from here, we're going to come back to the top of a push-up. And this time, we're going to bring our right foot up to where our weight is on our front foot and back foot, and the back leg is straight. The right knee is right over your right heel. Your right knee is directly above your right heel. So there's a 90-degree angle right here. Kind of important. Not serious, just important. And then look up. Just use your fingertips for balance. We'll do a very fun variation on Thursday of this. And then the next position, you're going to bring your back foot up to your front foot. So again, standing forward. We're just coming back through where we came before. So bend at the waist. Your legs are straight. Let yourself hang. Breathe in and out through your nose. Relax your neck. Relax your neck a little more. Now bend your knees just a little bit, and then slowly push yourself up. Inhale as you come up, and then we go back to this one. No idea what this one's called. Push your arms back, but your biceps want to be touching your ears. So push back. So that's how straight you want your arms to be. And you can have your hands again like this, like this, doesn't matter. And then back to prayer pose. That's the sun salute. The cool thing about that is there's all kinds of, with all of the yoga poses, there's all kinds of variations. And depending upon your level of flexibility, strength, and balance, you can play with the variations. And I'll show you how that might look as we do some of the poses that we do.